we have given complex fraction. First, we have to check what we have in parentheses. In parentheses, we have subtraction. So, to subtract number and fraction, we need to change number to fraction. So, we have to copy 3 minus, and we have 1 over 2 over n we copy, and 4 we put over 1. So now we have fractions. Two fractions. How we subtract two fractions? When we have the same denominator, we have n and 1. So common denominator will be n. We need to multiply 1 times n to get n. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So now we have to copy 3 minus, and we have 1 over 2 over n minus 4 times n is 4n over 1 times n is n. Now we have the same denominators. So we have to copy 3 minus 1 over, we have to copy denominator, and we have to subtract numerators. So it will be 2 minus 4n. So this is equal. We have to copy 3 minus, and now we have 1 divide, because this fraction means division. So we can write that this is 1 divided by 2 minus 4n over n. So this is equal. We know the order of operation. First we have to do division, next subtraction. So we have to copy 3 minus, and when we have division, 1 we can write that this is like 1 over 1. So we have 1 over 1. We have to copy, we have to change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction. So it will be n over 2 minus 4n. So this is equal. We have to copy 3 and minus sign. Next we have to do multiplication. 1 times n is n. 1 times 2 minus 4n is 2 minus 4n. Next, again, fraction and number. So we need to change number to fraction. So 3 over 1 I can always write minus, and we will have n over 2 minus 4n. 1 and 2 minus 4n in denominator. So the common denominator will be 2 minus 4n, because 1 times 2 minus 4n is 2 minus 4n. So I need to multiply 1 by 2 minus 4n to get the same denominator. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do with numerator. So now we have 3 times 2 minus 4n over 1 times 2 minus 4n. So this is 2 minus 4n. And we have minus, and we have to copy the second fraction. So now when we have the same denominators, we copy the numerator, and we have to subtract numerators. And I will do multiplication, because for parentheses I have 3, so I have to multiply by 3 every expression in parentheses. So 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times negative 4n is negative 12n, and we have minus n. So this is equal 6, we have to copy, negative 12 and negative 1n, so this is negative 13n, and we have over 2 minus 4n. What we can do, we can factorize 2 in the denominator. So we will have 2 times 1 minus 2n, and numerator is 6 minus 13n. We can not factorize anything in the numerator, so we cannot reduce here anything. This is my solution.